Like the tick from the inside just fell off. What the hell? Literally guys, don't do this DIY. You won't have fun. I'm not having fun. Hi guys, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the video where I potentially ruin a very expensive pair of shoes. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. That will make it worth it if I do ruin them. And if you don't enjoy it, then please pretend that you enjoy it because otherwise I'm gonna be sad. I am gonna hydro dip a pair of Air Force 1's. I know I've posted a lot of DIY videos before, but to be honest, I am not that good at DIYs. I'm really nervous for this video actually. Still thinking about backing out of this video so I can keep my beautiful white Air Force 1's, but let's do it. Yesterday, your girl went and she spent $70 on spray paint. So this is that footage. So right now, while I'm filming this video, it is 11 a.m. and your girl has a hair appointment in 2 hours. So if I'm stressed, it's because I'm stressed and I have a hair appointment in 2 hours. But let's get hydro dipping, aka ruining these sneakers. Also, one of my favorite YouTubers and just my general favorite person in the universe, Lauren, filmed this video and she was a lot more serious about this than I was because she's good at this kind of thing. So if you guys actually want to see this turn out well, maybe go check out her video. Okay, let's begin. The things that I need are an expensive pair of sneakers, some tape, spray paint, which is actually very expensive, an X-Acto knife. Oh, you also need something to dip, to put the water in, to hydro dip. It doesn't fit on the table. So, I am going to tape off my sneakers. I feel like this is gonna take like an hour. I feel like I am way too not knowledgeable about this to be filming a whole video on it. These are so brand new that they still have the cardboard in it, which kind of breaks my heart a little bit because they're not gonna be cute in 2 minutes. And by 2 minutes, I mean hours. Fun fact, I have been filming DIY videos for 2 years, but I actually suck at DIYs. This video kind of stresses me out. To be honest, like 70% of the DIYs that I've ever tried to do actually don't work out, and you just see the 30% that does. I feel like I'm just exposing myself. We unlaced the shoes. It was, for some reason, difficult for me, and that's probably the easiest possible thing that I could do in this video, so it's not looking good. I think I'm gonna do like a fancy time-lapse situation because I feel like that's what the shoe DIY YouTubers would do, and we wanna make them proud. Time-lapse! This tape like isn't sticking. Okay, this just took me like 20 minutes, but doesn't it look like I'm a professional shoe DIYer? Ooh! So things have changed a little bit since last time you see me. I have a coffee now. I'm slightly more frustrated. My biggest regrets in the recent 15 minutes that I have been alive is getting a cup of coffee because now my hands are shaking and this is sharp, but I'm gonna do the tick. Oh my god, there's 2 ticks. I didn't realize there was a tick on each side and that's ruined my day. Oh, that's so annoying. What the f? It's not sticking to the freaking tick. I actually don't want to film this video anymore.
But you know what Nike say? Just do it.
So I'm nearly done. The second tick, the surprise tick that I didn't know existed. If I'm being honest, which I feel like I should, this video has reminded me why I stopped doing DIYs on my YouTube channel because I'm not in a good mood right now. Oh, my hair appointment is in half an hour. Love that for me. Haven't even thought about the actual hydro dipping part of this DIY and this is my first shoe. But what you guys can't see on camera is I actually have pain taping the other shoe. Another fun fact about my DIYs is back when I used to film DIY videos, Kane would make half of the DIY and I would just finish it on camera.
I can't believe you finally said that.
Sarah Bet's exposed. Come for me.
If you guys want to follow my Pinterest.
Yeah, so if you guys want to subscribe to a real DIY YouTuber, Kane is going to start a channel very soon.
Not up yet, so you kind of can't, so.
And he's going to be posting back to school DIYs.
Could you imagine if I did that? I feel like you'd get hilarious.
I'm honestly very tired right now. Like, do not customize Air Force Ones off of like 2 hours of sleep. Just in case you were thinking about doing it, which you probably weren't. You probably just want to keep your Air Force Ones white. Same. I'm not kidding, guys. I just told Kane that I was thinking about ending the video. Like, the f***ing tick from the inside just fell off. What the hell? Literally, guys, don't do this DIY. You won't have fun. I'm not having fun. When I go to the hair salon in 19 minutes, I'm gonna ask them if they wanna hire me because YouTube is not working out. There's 15 minutes until I need to go to my hair appointment, but I finished taping off the shoe, so let's get to the main part of this video. So I just lifted 52 liters of water up here by myself. No big deal. Oh my god! What the heck? What the freak? Literally thought my hand was gonna break just then. Okay, so what people do now is they take their spray paint and they just spray it into the water and then they dip their shoe in there and then it looks amazing. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. I think that I'm about to show you that it's not as easy as it looks. Okay, I actually cannot finish filming this video with the doors closed and I'm just gonna film cute shot and I'm just, am I high? I'm just gonna film some cute shots with the doors open so you won't be able to hear me. Yeah.
You seem like you don't like them.
It's alright. Here is my shoe. My favorite part is where the tape is that I'm gonna peel off. How did I just do a second shoe and not have it on the tick again? Yo, the tape didn't fall off! Like, do I just like cover that little bit just there? Honestly, this is how you ruin a DIY because you just keep going and you keep going and then suddenly it's just effed. Did I just ruin it? So welcome back to my shoe customization YouTube channel. I am about to take the tape off of these, which I've been so excited about. They're still wet inside the shoe and they're probably gonna be wet for the next like 2 weeks because how does one really dry out a completely saturated shoe? I don't really know and I'm a little too lazy to work it out. I'm a freaking customization YouTuber. That looks so proud of myself. Oh my god. Wow. Y'all, I freaking did this. Hit subscribe for my next hydro dipping Air Force Ones video because this is bomb. I am a DIY YouTuber again. Wow, I did this myself. Woo! Oh my god, I'm too unfit. Honestly, I'm pretty proud of myself. I really just didn't think that this would at all be possible. They probably could be better. I would give these away, but I don't think that they're gonna hold up. So I think I'm gonna give away a non-hydro dip pair of Air Force Ones and I will just like order them to your house. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, then just comment absolutely anything down below these giveaways for my subscribers and then come follow me on Instagram, be super active and comment shoes please on my Instagram photos and yeah, I'll announce it in like 2 or 3 weeks. Don't come for me if I don't do it straight away because she's a busy gal. I'll have all the giveaway info down below so y'all can enter, and I'm gonna go film some pretty shots that you guys have probably already seen of these shoes now. So have a great weekend. Peace.